Hey homeowners, when was the last time you flushed your water heater? Over time, minerals and sediment build up inside your tank that blocks heating element and forces your system to work harder while you get less hot water. And if you don't flush it regularly, you could be facing serious damage or even total replacement way sooner than you'd expected. Right now we are offering a full tank water heater flush for just $149. Normally it's $250, but we're making it easy to stay ahead of costly repairs. This quick maintenance service extends the life of your water heater, improves efficiency and keeps the hot water flowing when you need it. But hurry, this offer is only good through August 31st. Book now your $149 flash today and keep your home running smoothly. Call now or visit our website to schedule. Your water heater will thank you.